Well, welcome back. I'm going to give you a little update on the progress we've had. As you can see, we've done the insulation and the stud work. Right here, we've got studs throughout the whole van. We still have the ceiling to do, but today's project, not make you so dizzy. Sorry. Right here in this hole, one fan, and in the back, I don't know, there's another hole. Just trust me, it's back there. So what we're gonna do today is put the MaxxAir fans in. So let's go to the roof, and I'm not getting on the roof. Charles is getting on the roof. I'm the video recorder today. So let's go to the roof and watch what he does.
So I'm looking at about 28.5 inches to the back side of where I want to have the hole at. Okay, let me measure one more time. All right, let's jump to the ladder. Remember, before you start doing this and climbing up a ladder, make sure somebody's holding it. Are you holding?
I'm holding it.
Oh boy. Okay, so let's look at this back. I got this template I cut out of that part that's going to sit down inside the hole, and so from the back of the rain gutter here, I'm going to that is 13 inches approximately. Okay, right over here I have a frame underneath, so I gotta kind of center myself between that frame and the back, so I got room to screw down everything, because it's just not going to be enough space. So let's see how this works. All right, here we go, right here in the center. You ready for this? Can you plug the other end in?
We have a hole.
All right, guys, just to kind of go over some of the things that you're going to need to be able to put in and properly seal your skylights or roof vents or whatever else you're going to do. With this particular thing, it's a MaxxAir fan, and so I'm going to show you the things that came with it and what you're going to need. Okay, this package came with it, and so this has got the screws to take and mount it, and I hope you can actually see that, but that actually came with it. I'm going to use some of these self-tapping 1 5/8 self-tapping lathe screws. I got at Lowe's. You're going to need a drill. I like to pre-drill my holes, and I think I use like a 7/32. I could be off on it, but just as long as the shaft on that is smaller than the shaft on the screws, not the threads, but just the shaft of them, and that way you can pre-drill a hole. So I've got my screw gun with a Phillips tip on it, and I've also brought some additional screws here that have a torque tip head on it. So I've got my torque tip. I think that's like a number 15 or something. Okay, now some additional things. I like to have my trusty pocket knife, some self-leveling caulking material, and you can get that at the your RV place. And you can also purchase this putty tape from your RV center also, and it's just a tape that goes out. And I'm going to show you how all this goes together, so just watch. Pencil. Okay, there we have it. We have the leveling compound applied all around. That's how you install a fan. The MaxxAir fan, we put a 1x4, and I doubled up the wood to go around this, and you can hear the fan on there right now.